Do these three things if you are a new YouTuber who really wants to take creating on YouTube channel very serious. Number one thing, make sure you read and understand the YouTube community guideline. Don't joke with this one though, because when YouTube start to treat your fuck up, you won't like it. So make sure you properly understand this, because YouTube will just leave you sometimes. When it's time to monetize, they will now go and bring all of those things that you've been doing on your channel that they don't like, those things they've warned you about that they don't want you to do that you've been doing. They will bring it out, they will open your file for you and tell you, sorry, you cannot be monetized. Even sometimes, those that are monetized, their channels can still be brought down by YouTube, because YouTube no they take nonsense. If they tell you they don't want this, please behave yourself and don't do it. So for you to take your channel serious, for you to grow your channel and monetize it without any stress or problem coming from YouTube, their music, the copyright, they take all those things very, very serious. So you should make sure you go over, read the community guidelines, and make sure you understand it properly before even setting up your camera to create and post on YouTube. I guess this one is very, very important, because you feel very, very sorry and bad for yourself after putting in all of the efforts, and at the end of the day your channel gets a strike or gets banned. This one will pain you. Number two, some new YouTubers who shoot, edit, and post on YouTube with their phones do not know that they can actually access YT Studio, the desktop version, with their phone. So go over to your Chrome or your Safari and type in studio.youtube.com. The desktop version on phone is very tiny and can be very slow, but don't worry, it will definitely get the job done. You can always zoom in on your screen to expand it so that you'll be able to see better and find your way around. Go ahead and optimize your channel so that you'll be able to enjoy lots of features on YouTube. All you need to do is to exercise patience. Number three, before you post on YouTube, make sure you post when your audience are online. And how are you going to know that?
Open your YT Studio and then click on the analytics. Once it opens, click on the audience, and then you will see the dashboard for when your audience are online. Click on it to properly see every of the details. The lighter shade of the purple is when your audience are mostly online.
One of the major things that will help you grow your channel is if your content is very, very engaging and good. Just to let you know, growing your channel on YouTube here can be very, very demanding and tasking. You need patience and lot of hard work. And also, you pray to the almighty YouTube algorithm to favor you. And those of you that have been procrastinating, that you are yet to start up this channel, watching, jumping from one YouTube channel to another, I need you to check this out.